and picked some of the people like me who even though mentioned that they don't want to receive did send it anyway. What a waste, guys. Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing of Boxycharm for the month of July, and I'm also going to do the juicy reviews. So for this box I paid $25 including shipping. So let's see what's in this box, and without further ado, let's get to the video. Here is the sneak peek. So let's see what's the first beauty we got. Is this one, and this is Beauty Bronzed in Paradise. About this beauty, the Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, can be layered on top of liquid cream or another powder complexion products. Now, time for the juicy reviews. First one says, these shades are way too dark. I'm tan but could only use 2 of these. Okay, the next one says, this is a beautiful bronzer palette, but even the lightest shades is too dark for me. I would have loved the blush palette instead. Yeah, that's true. I was under the impression that I would get at least the blush palette or the eyeshadow palette, but they sent me this. Okay, the next one says, very nice bronzer colors can use during summer and winter when my skin tone changes. Okay, the next one says, I don't really like bronzers and most of the colors are too dark. Okay, the next one says, why would I need multiple shades of bronzer? I think bronzer palettes are stupid. In addition, that this palette arrived broken. Wow, that sucks. Yeah, looks like most of the people agree with me. Most of the people don't use bronzer. I don't too. So what a waste, guys. I clearly mentioned in my profile that bronzers, I would never want to receive that, but still I got it. I'm not sure if they really look at the profile. I think they handpicked some of the people like me who even though mentioned that they don't want to receive the bronzer palette, they did send it anyway. Anyways, that's amazing. It's like one of them said, bronzers are stupid. It's this. It's vitamin C brightening booster, watermelon, green tea, pineapple, clean skin club. Okay, let's see what's in this. Oh wow, this packaging looks so beautiful. I don't smell any kind of watermelon or anything in this. So, about the product, this super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of skin while naturally gives a younger regenerated look. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, which helps reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improves the appearance of aged and stressed skin. Price on this beauty is $49.95. Time for the juicy reviews. Alright, the first one says, when I read the description, I thought this would smell amazing, but it's actually kind of bland. Spice it up, add a bit of sparkle. Yeah, even I thought this is going to smell like watermelon because that's the ingredient I see here, watermelon and green tea extracts and pineapple, but it doesn't smell like any of that. It smells bland. I agree with that. Okay, cool. And the next one, love this item. It was absolutely perfect. That's awesome. Cool. And the next one says, this serum is amazing. It smells great. It doesn't leave me feeling tacky, which I have had happen with previous serums. This one I love using right when I get out of the shower. That's an amazing review. So looks like many do love this, and it's not that tacky, which is really awesome. So we'll have to try it and see how this goes. Let me put this on a bit and we'll see. So this is how it looks. It's clear serum. It's kind of sticky when I apply, but maybe after some time it's not going to be that tacky, I guess. Yeah, I feel it's kind of tacky, but maybe once it dries, it's not going to have it, I'm assuming. So yeah, that's gone. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what we got next. Next, we have this beauty right here. It's Hourglass Glitter Eyeshadow. Okay, let's open this beauty. So this is how it looks. That looks awesome. Let me put this on. Sparkly. Price on this beauty is $29, and about this product, a weightless refined glitter eyeshadow infused with light reflecting pearls to create high impact sparkling eyes. The unique hybrid creamy formula creates a reflective buildable dimension for everything from a delicate glimmer to an intense prismatic finish. Okay, now time for the juicy reviews. The color is amazing and the glitter is the perfect amount. Super easy to apply. A little goes a long way. And the next one says, it's just amazing. I love the color and texture. Cool. The next one says, doesn't have much staying power. Okay, cool. So those are the reviews. So that's true. I think little goes a long ways. I'm gonna love this. This doesn't have much staying power. So we'll have to try it and see like how long it's going to stay. This beauty right here is quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner. Lavish. Okay, this is so lightweight. Okay, let's see what this beauty is. So this is how it looks inside. Price on this beauty is $20, and about this product, with this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water, reusable and washable. To remove previous colors, swirl brush around the pad in a circular motion, removes darker as well as bright shadows quickly without the use of water. Now time for the juicy reviews. Cool, the first one says, kind of flimsy, would not buy for the price. Okay, the next one says, I love this. I never used one before, but I'm so glad this came in my box this month. Now I don't have to bring a million brushes with me when I travel. That's cool. Okay, the next one says, love brush cleaners, but I have 3 of these that I paid $3 for. And the next one says, it works like it's supposed to, but nothing special. I would not pay $20 for this product. Yeah, and this is $20. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So this is the brush I have, I applied the eyeshadow with that, so you can see that pink. See if that removes. It kind of worked. Oh wow, yeah, it did work. I mean, it didn't remove all of the pink, but it did remove most of it. So for people like me who don't clean their brushes very often and who are lazy, here is the solution for your problem. That's good. I think I'm gonna love it. Okay, next we have this duo. It's Brazilian shampoo and conditioner. That's cool. And price on this beauty is $24. So this is like very tiny size. I'm going to open the seal because I'm going to use it anyway, I guess, for at least my next wash. It smells kind of good. About this product, this set includes a creamy lather sulfate-free shampoo and a creamy rich yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchable, soft hair. Oh, now time for the juicy reviews. First one says, the most amazing smelling shampoo and conditioner. I'm ordering some and never going back to my old. I can't thank this company enough for showing me so many amazing products. But this is my all-time favorite. Wow, that's an awesome review. So this might be really good, I guess. Yeah, smell is good. So I'll have to try it on my hair. I haven't washed my hair in... I'm not even okay to admit that in front of camera. It's been that long. Let's leave it there. Okay, the next one says, the shampoo made my hair feel so clean and smell so good. That's an awesome review. Okay, the next one says, this was terrible. Last my hair super greasy and knotted. Okay. I'm hoping you don't do that to my hair, but I want to give it a shot anyways. We'll see how that goes. It smells good, but there is so little product in these. Yeah, I agree. So these are like travel size. That's what I feel. I'm not sure if this price on this one is 20 something. How much is that? $24. Okay, but this looks like a travel size. It's not going to last long for me. Maybe like a couple of washes, I guess, not more than that. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for visiting my channel, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.